I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make up to $400 using a simple free tool. Before I jump into the details of this video, allow me to announce to you that my channel is all about making money online. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for ways and means of using the internet to make money, then you're watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. I'm going to show you a website which I've never mentioned before on my channel, which you can use to make up to $400 using a free and a simple tool. There is no prior experience that is needed in this strategy. The website I'm talking about is called Latium, Latium.org. It's a secure website right there, you can see it. And this is a freelance website. So the way you're going to make money is that you are coming here as a freelance. You might not have done this before. You don't need to worry about anything. This is one of the easiest ways of making money online as a freelancer. And I'm going to give you the tools that you need to make everything a breeze. It says, get free quotes from freelancers now. That announcement is for the customers of this website. But what is interesting for you is where it says, I want to work, right there. But before we click that button, let me just give you a broad outline of what is going on right here. This is what is going on this website. Surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, websites and software, usability testing, registrations, translations and languages, app downloads, video and animation, audio and music, blockchain and cryptocurrency, and so forth. All right, so there is quite a lot going on this website. If you know a bit of some of the categories that have been mentioned right here, the better. But all the same, even if you don't have prior experience, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to do one of the tasks that are needed right here. For you to start, you sign up for free. I am a member of this website. I've already created an account with this website, so I'll just log in. After you have gone through the sign up process, this is what you see. So you can browse the projects, you can browse the freelancers projects I'm working on. You can see the project that you're working on. You can see the projects, the saved projects. You can see all other things. And there is another cool side about this website that if you refer your friend to join this website, you get a reward. Oh, there is the wallet, they've got the exchange, they've got the freelancer plans and other things. So what is interesting for us right now, where you can start to use this website and start to make money, is this button. And then you go to browse projects, and then you see featured projects, newest projects, surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, and other things. But what we are going to look at today is graphics and design. You click that button, right? Then it brings you all the graphics and design projects that are going on. So what it means is that people are putting their project, graphics and design projects on this website, and they are waiting for freelancers, you and me, to come and bid for the projects. So you put your proposal, you put your bid, how much you charge, and how much time you need to finish the project and submit it. And then the owner of the project is going to see what you have suggested. They're going to see your bid, and they're going to ask for other things, maybe your social media platform on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, or something like that. If you can see right here, it says logo designer needed. Logo designer needed, and The reward offer is $350 to $400. This is why I said I'm going to show you a website that you can use to make up to $400 using a simple and a free tool. I'll show you the free tool in a minute. So you see that one, direct email marketing design, 150 to 130, 125 to 135. What about that one? Design company logo, up to 500. Existing logo redesign in vector, 75. That one, 250, 150, 100, that one, 100. That one, 425. That one, 175, 115. You can see that there is a ton of projects that are going on, that are running on this website. But I want to draw your attention to this one, which says Facebook, Twitter, Instagram profile plus banner branding. $350 to $400, right? So if you click that one, it gives you a bit of information. It says, I have an existing logo that I would like to introduce into Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram through profile pictures and banners. Banners will be a mixture of stock photography with minimum effects and addition of the logo. To bid on this project, enter a reward amount and due date below. How much do you want to bid on this project? So you put your figure right there, right? So if you want to max out everything 400, that's okay. But if you are starting, you might just need to lower your amount a little bit, okay? How soon can you complete the project? Then you can give a date. So I'm going to show you now the tool that I mentioned, which you can use, and it's a free tool. The tool that you're going to use is a website called Snapper. It says create online graphics in a snap. Whip up graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more, even if you are not a graphic designer, right? So you remember I said this strategy, you don't need prior experience. So this is the tool that you can use to do those graphics, and you don't need prior experience. It says get started free. Featured in HubSpot, Shopify, Forbes, Buffer, and SEMrush. Snapper saves you time every step of the way. Start with the perfect image dimensions. Perfect sized image is always one click away. Image dimensions for social media, display ads, blogs, emails, and infographics are available as clickable presets. Okay, so you've got Facebook, you've got Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. And you remember that job is looking for someone who can do Facebook, Twitter, Instagram profile plus banner branding. All right. So this is the perfect tool that you can use. I'm already a member of this website. I'll just log in. So I've just logged in, and you can see now what sort of graphics you can do. You can do social media posts, Facebook posts, Facebook link, Instagram posts, Instagram story, LinkedIn posts, Pinterest pin, Twitter posts, YouTube thumbnails. So all the dimensions and the pixels are right there. You can see they're all there. Perfect. Then blogging and infographics, right? Blog featured images, infographic, ebook cover. All the pixels, the dimensions are here. What about the headers, the banners, and the profile pages? For Facebook, it's here. Facebook cover photo, Facebook event cover, Facebook group cover, profile pictures, SoundCloud banner, and you've got Twitter header, YouTube channel art, YouTube end screens, Zoom virtual background. So this is the free tool that you are going to use, my friend. Once you start to make a little bit of money, then you can upgrade and you can have more features and more possibilities unlocked for you. Okay, so let me show you. If I am to upgrade, because I'm on a free account right now, let me go to billing and then go to upgrade now. Right, so you are coming as a starter and one user, 6,000 plus templates that you can use, and you've got 4 million plus HD photos and graphics. Then you've got a maximum of 3 downloads per month. That would be perfect for you for 1 month. You do it for Facebook, you do it for Twitter, you do it for Instagram. Now, once you start to get a little bit of money, then you can upgrade to $10 per month. And you can see that you now have unlimited downloads per month, which is fantastic for you. And you're working from home. And this is the good thing, is that you're working from home, you're not going anywhere. And actually the trend is just online, my friend. So the sooner we reskill and retrain ourselves in getting money through the internet, the better. So back to Lithium, you can browse freelancers and you can see what people are charging, what sort of amounts. And look at this one is charging $40 per hour. That one, $10 an hour, $10 an hour, $40 an hour, $20 an hour, 30, that 10, 20, 11, 25, 20, 20, 15, 25. So you can get inspired with these profiles so that you can get an idea of what sort of profile you can build for yourself. And then you also put your amount, your charge per hour. Once you are done with that, then you start to leverage the influence of this website to get some jobs. And that's it. And I told you that once you refer someone, you get some referral bonus. And for me, if I want to tell someone about this website, I just give them this link. And once they join through that link, join this website, then I'll get some bonus. Then you've got your wallet, you've got your the exchange right there. You've got that. You can promote your service through there. So this is how you're going to make up to $400 using a free and simple tool, my friend. If you want to know the best way of building an unshakable and predictable business online, check my #1 recommendation in the description below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.